To fix a GE microwave that runs but doesn't heat food, several possible causes should be considered. These include accidental use of the timer function, a door that is not securely closed, or a faulty door switch, as well as a faulty thermostat. To resolve the issue, first ensure the timer function was not used unintentionally. Then restart the heating process by entering new settings into the microwave while being cautious of the timer function. Next, check the door to ensure it is securely closed, and try opening and firmly closing it to see if this resolves the problem. If the door is not the issue, the door switch assembly should be inspected, and the continuity of the switches measured. If the continuity test yields negative results, the switches should be replaced. If the problem persists, the thermostat may need to be replaced. This involves unplugging the appliance, removing the thermostat knob, unscrewing and unmounting the upper back panel, and unmounting the oven thermostat assembly. The old thermostat should then be replaced with a new one, making sure to plug the wires into the new thermostat in the same configuration as the old one. Additionally, the old sensing bulb should be unclipped and replaced with a new one. Finally, the back panel and thermostat control panel should be put back in position before replugging the appliance. By following these steps, a GE microwave that runs but doesn't heat food can be successfully repaired.